Design for Serenity with your grand reveal in Lakeside, California. We spent 4 days here and basically transformed this nothing burger of a landscape into a succulent paradise. Here we have our xeriscape. We have Golden Barrel City. We did a lot with mounding out here, bringing in about 4 yards of soil to create these elevations. Miles Teague did his magic with rock ribbons. Miles is a artiste with the ribbon. He did an incredible job of it. You know, I can't stress this enough. This looked good with just the burgundy lava, but the ribbons really take it from good to great. So don't skim on the ribbons. Now on the inner courtyard, we had to work with coming in this gorgeous fence and the retaining walls and this decomposed granite patio, but I wanted to put my spin on it. So as I told you, this river rock was everywhere throughout this entire landscape. I did leave it in between the concrete pavers, but I added a boulder in kind of juxtaposed left or right of center with a little planter and some lava rock to just break it up a little bit in here. Then we have our DG pathways, and we rubbled. Instead of doing plastic edging or flagstone, we wanted to keep this clean. There are a lot of clean lines in this installation, and I wanted to be mindful of those. Oh my goodness, all of the plants in here, as we've talked about before, are tough and will tolerate the lakeside heat. We have also included well lights on the Hercules, the Balsamiferia, and the Petalanthus bracteus over in the corner. Then we have accent lighting around the pathways. Our tapestry is complete, and we even added a decorative sun. The only thing that we don't have is my bench, which is ordered and due to come in a couple of days. And it's gonna go right here. It's a really, really pretty bench. And it'll go here next to this Picarnia recurvata. Oh yeah, this looks great. I'm gonna like sitting here. I think this is the perfect place for this bench. So, another one in the books. Next stop, Coronado. Y'all have a great day in the garden. This has been Laura Eubanks reporting for DFS and Team DFS with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Lakeside, California.